Yep, I knew that was going to happen. Sorry about that. But here we go. iPhone Max. Definitely curious about this one. Oof. There's all the good stuff. Oh yeah. Really nice. It's lightweight too. Alright, iPhone, what you got going on with ya? How do you turn you on? There it goes. This is the unlocked. So all I gotta do is click the link, check them out, and get yours now. They'll ship that out to you really fast. But I'm using the Note 10 Plus to record. I could use that. Hold on. Holla. Bonjour. Hey. One sec. I'm gonna use my other hand. Free up this hand at least. Safe to touch this one. Here we go. Oh, not yet. Big screen. There we go. English. United States. Alright, let me enter my Wi-Fi. There we go. Activated. Give it a second. Continue. I'm gonna pause you guys. Alrighty, we are back. We got it locked in. Really nice camera. For video. Really clear. Amazing stuff right here, guys. If you haven't got one by now, definitely check it out now. They have some great deals going on. And a lot of other goodies they have. We got Apple TV. Got Entourage. I've been watching. Got Oprah. So a lot of cool stuff here, guys. Excuse me. And then phone settings. Show about the phone. Software is 13.3. Everything's good. Bluetooth. Uh-oh. Hold on one sec. Sorry about that. My ring Alright, sorry about that, guys. But like I said, this phone is pretty amazing right now. It's still going to like my apps and everything right now. So even the measuring is pretty cool. Gotta move it around. Point. Move it. Shows there. Really cool. What else I can show you guys? I mean, pretty much you guys seen it already. It's the same, except for it's unlocked. So I mean, but what else it came with right here? Got these guys. Got the charge. And got the USB right there, ready to roll. So, camera we already showed. Really nice. Oh, it has a level, so you can level things out. There we go, that's pretty cool. Look at the health. You can set up all the apps. Ugh. Excuse me. But I need to get a Mac next, or a tablet, iPad. Super clear. Zoom in. We got video, photo. Alright. Hang. Try it this way up. Portrait. It's pretty clear right there. Phone. Oh, boy. Oh, we don't need the phone. FaceTime. Let's see what else. Apple TV showed. There's all the news articles. The weather. Kind of cold outside. Not liking it. Wish it was warmer. We got the maps. There. Let's see what else we got here. Bluetooth is off. General. That. Battery life. FaceTime, compass, iTunes, TV, WWE Network. Got that going on. So a few more needs to be finished, but pretty much that's about it though with this iPhone. I mean, pretty much you guys already had it, but this is the unlock one. Definitely check them out. I'm liking it now. I'm getting used to having one from the iPod to the this little guy. A little dirty right there. So I've been using them pretty much both the same. There's that one. I need to get a case for this one now. So. And then now I'm using the Ultra, or the Note 10 Plus to record, so it's 1240. That's about it, guys. I'll leave the link down below. Check it out. The iPhone Max. Be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.